Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Another Amazon Prime unboxing coming from my good friends Aicok and Deep Fryer. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. It's already unboxed. That's how it came. So everything is all good. If you guys want to take advantage of Amazon Prime's fast shipping, you might want to get one of these for Father's Day coming up. In a matter of, 2 weeks? They'll get this shipped out to you in a couple days. There we go. I'm going to take a look inside, and then I'll be in the kitchen cooking something up. Deep fried. But this is really cool. And they have other great stuff, like microwaves, juicers, a lot of different types of juicers, and food processors, ice cream makers. So definitely a really good company, trustworthy on Amazon. And now we're going to see what this thing looks like. But hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. It is Wednesday. The week is almost over. There we go. Oh, jeez. Almost fell. Squeaky, squeaky. There we go. Aicok. There we go. Nice and easy. Put these back. In the garbage. There we go. And now we got the lid. Oh, this is nice, easy to store. And compact. Great for your man cave, your apartment, condo. Come on. Maybe even your camper, RV. This could come in handy for you. Here we go. I'm gonna take these off. Oh, oh man. Alright. This is what she looks like. Nice stainless steel. Got the manual. And we got the deep. Bada boom. I'll put you guys down. There we go. Gotta remove the cardboard. Take this off. And lift. I don't wanna. Okay, hold on one sec, you two. Alright. Okay. It does come off. This part comes out right there. And remove the cardboard. Lift it up. I think this is where the oil will clean. Come on. Alright, we got the cardboard. Those are out to remove all the stickiness. Like I said, if you want to see the thing in action, stay tuned. That's going to be coming right up. Bada boom. Alright, now we're going to put it all together again. We got Aicok, we got this. Easy to come out. We got those, you just gotta drop it in. My phone's gonna die. Bada boom. And remember to drop this thing back in. Or, yeah. Like so. And let me quit 1 sec. Alrighty, had to put the grill on. I guess where you deep fry it. The crate comes with the power cord right here. Should be an easy snap on the back side. Oops. I gotta charge my phone before I start cooking. Should be easy popping. Magnetic. Oh boy. Make sure. It's going on right. There we go. Oh, it's magnetic. Alright, cool. Nope, goes this way. You guys can see it goes that way. There we go. Nice and easy. And then got that cord. Gotta remove these, plug it in, put some oil down, and start some deep fry. Give me 1 minute, I'll see you in the kitchen. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got the oil in. We got the stuff right here. I think it should fit. Oh, maybe not. Hold on 1 sec. There we go. We got the shrimp deep frying right now. Mix it up a little. Shut the lid. Nice and easy. Somewhat nice and easy. There we go. Nice and sealed. This is a filter right in the middle. Easy to take off. Here's a check on them right through there. You got different timers. 375 for fries, 340 for chicken, 300 for fish, 265 for shrimp. There's a timer. There's a temp. Easy to plug in. And the back here plug, it's like a magnetic plug to connect. And on the side, once you take this part out, there's a reset button. And here it comes again. Always grab it by the handle in case it gets too hot. Check those out. Ooh, a little smoky. So you got the steam already going. So let the timer do its thing. And it'll be done. You can hear it ticking right there. So really cool. Check them out. Aicok on the Amazon Prime. Link is going to be down below. You guys can get this at a low cost. I'm going to take this peek. Oh yeah. Just give it a minute. Once the bell goes, or the buzzer. Not sure what it's going to do. Napkin down. Peek. Oh, steamy. Mix it up a little. There we go. There you go. Nice and easy. A nice size, nice. Easy to store and easy to clean, so that's a good thing. But that's about it for today, YouTubers. You guys be safe and see you soon. See ya.